Welcome to my channel, How to Knot, and in this video I'll be showing you how to tie a multiple overhand knot. Beyond general use, this knot can be used in specific activities such as climbing, camping, and sailing. Start by creating a loop. You will need to wrap the working end in the loop 3 times. Once done, pull the working end and the standing part. Ensure the knot is properly dressed and you're done. Commonly used by sailors to add weight to the end of the rope or create a stopper. Unfortunately, when this knot is wet, it can be difficult to untie. This concludes the rest of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see more knot tying videos, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.